Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing and assembly of my 95-inch by 36-inch by 36-inch mini greenhouse from Quictent. So in the box we have the metal piping, the connectors, some stakes, some plant labels, and the mini greenhouse cover. And there is the framework for the little mini greenhouse. It's 95 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 36 inches tall. Now let's put the cover on it. I had a raised garden bed that I got from Quictent that I got without a mini greenhouse cover. So I went ahead and ordered this much larger greenhouse cover to give me area on both sides to put some buckets with tomatoes inside the greenhouse until the little cover needs to come off. And there you have the 95-inch by 36-inch by 36-inch mini greenhouse cover. I did sit it over the top of a smaller raised garden bed that I got from Quictent. I'm going to use these end sections to put some buckets with tomatoes in them also. This is a little bit different style than my other mini greenhouse covers. This one does have three zip-up front doors. No zippers on the back side, but it does have an end zipper. My previous greenhouses have zippers on both sides, but it's one giant panel and a screen zipper underneath that. The new one doesn't have any screen, it's just open or closed. This video does contain an affiliate link. If you do click on one of the tabs at the top of the video or in the description below, I do receive a commission if you make a purchase using those links. At checkout, use the promo code GREG 8% to get yourself a little bit of a discount on the purchase. Overall, I am very pleased with my Quictent mini greenhouses and raised garden beds. Also, my 25 by 10 by 7 greenhouse. All of my plants have started early. This is February, and everything is doing really well still, even after the hard freeze we had a few weeks back. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.